Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best vacuum sealer available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Geyron Automatic Vacuum Sealer. Next up, we're having a look at what Geyron needs to offer with their starter kit. This 4-in-1 automatic vacuum sealant from their array comes with 6 various food settings in addition to 2 distinctive pressure alternatives. There's a mild mode for more delicate baked items together with a typical feature. With this preparation as well as maintain system, you can keep foods fresh for approximately 5 times much longer, which implies your household budget plan can stretch that little bit further and you end us with much less weekly food waster. That's reached be great on some lots of degrees. If you additionally fancy yourself as a little master cook as well, you can try out sous vide design cooking, utilizing your vacuum-sealed pouches. The Geyron maker is fully automatic and includes trendy soft touch operation controls which are conveniently placed in the center of the unit where they are easy to see as well as gain access to, together with an LED light indicator. It's a portable and smooth style that you will not mind leaving out on screen instead of needing to store away after each usage. When it involves cleaning your system, the upper cover quickly lift off so that you can cleanse the chamber as well as reaching the gaskets quickly and also securely also. Moving up at number 2 is the NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Sealer. Prepared to begin your food securing experience? Great, then let's move on with the outstanding automatic vacuum sealant kit from NutriChef. The cost is as unbelievable as the outcomes are impressive, and also if you want to preserve the quality of your food for longer and remove bacterial growth, then this will be a smart financial investment for your home. The NutriChef Food Sealer can even be utilized to marinate meat and also assist you capture cook ahead of routine and plan out your meals for the weekend break in advance. It's perfectly portable as well as being lightweight also, so it can conveniently be positioned where you can conveniently access it on your kitchen counter. It additionally includes a stain-resistant housing, so you don't have to bother with any damage from unexpected spills. The NutriChef Seal-A-Dish Vacuum Cleaner Sealer can be made use of on both dry as well as moist food and has 2 separate programs for each, plus it features automatic touch switch procedure for an easy and also sensible straightforward experience. A choice of various sized bags are consisted of with your starter kit, which is reusable as well as water resistant, plus a wine stopper cork is also consisted of so that you can extend the lifespan of that opened up container of red wine you didn't consume. If you are searching for a cost-efficient and hassle-free way to start securing in the freshness, then the NutriChef is an amazing introduction to the globe of food vacuum cleaner sealing. At number 3 on our list is the Foodsaver FSFSSL2244 Vacuum Sealer. The Foodsaver FSFSSL2244-000V2244 machine is a high-end vacuum cleaner sealer for usage in the cooking area. It has a couple of key attributes that set it besides various other brands on the market. One of these is the basic one-touch operation that offers you the choice between seal as well as vac seal. That's it. There are no other buttons to make complex the issue. That makes it incredibly very easy for any individual to utilize. If you have actually never ever utilized a vacuum cleaner sealer in the past, we highly recommend this set. Another unique function is the dishwasher risk-free drip tray. When you're securing foods, several of it is bound to leakage onto the maker. This tray captures it, so you can put it right into the dishwasher and also keep everything clean. It also has an accessory port that allows you to connect the handheld sealer so you can seal zipper bags, containers, and also containers in minutes. At number 4 is the Mueller Automatic Vacuum Sealer with Starter Kit. Like the Cronova we simply evaluated, this vacuum sealer from Mueller, Austria helps you to conserve money and time, prepping and also sealing, set cooked tasty dishes for the household, guaranteeing you constantly have a fresh home-cooked dish all set to defrost when you need one. It's incredibly easy to use with a basic plug-in electrical design and also a classy main control panel. With soft-touch electronic switches and smart LED light indicators, you can easily select from 2 different sealing modes. Whether you are preparing to secure dry foods or something damp like a stew or covered dish, this Mueller system can do the lot. You can terminate any type of procedure anytime merely by pushing the quit button, otherwise, simply vac as well as seal. It's as simple as holding down the button until you are happy that your foods are safely vacuum cleaner sealed. The system itself is lightweight as well as portable and also minimal looking with a sleek white real estate. If you intended to leave it out completely, it wouldn't take up too much space or trigger way too many distractions. You obtain a total starter package with your acquisition, which even includes a red wine stopper cork. perfect for those amongst you that frequently leave half a container of white wine and also wish to enjoy the complete flavor at a later phase. The fifth product on our list is the Vremi vacuum sealer. We think the Vremi vacuum sealer is just one of the best offered. If you're getting into sous vide cooking or you just wish to make food last much longer, this equipment is the best new appliance for your cooking area. It has a little touch screen panel that allows you to pick just how tight you desire the vacuum seal and also what kind of food you're securing, completely dry or moist. It additionally has a stop switch, which will halt the operation if you think there's a trouble. One of the most significant reasons for purchasing the Vremi vacuum sealer is that it features a suction hose, which you can make use of to draw the air out of sealed containers and also containers. This makes it a functional home appliance for every one of your food storage requirements. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.